In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Outlook account to the Mail app on your iPhone. First, go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Then, scroll again until you find the Mail app and tap to open it. Next, select Mail Accounts, where you'll see all the email accounts currently connected to your Mail app. Tap Add Account, choose from a list, and then select Outlook.com. From here, simply sign in using your Outlook login details. Once you're signed in, make sure the toggle for Mail is enabled. After that, open the Mail app on your iPhone, and you should now see your Outlook account added successfully. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.